10 Best Quotes of Film. Mr. Smith Goes to Washington 1939. Mr. Smith Goes to Washington is a 1939 film directed by Frank Capra, starring James Stewart as Jefferson Smith, a naive and idealistic man appointed to the U.S. Senate. Initially overwhelmed by the political corruption he encounters, Smith is determined to stand up for justice and democracy. With the help of his secretary, Clarissa Saunders, Jean Arthur, he filibusters to expose the truth and fight for his beliefs. The film is a timeless portrayal of the triumph of honesty and integrity over cynicism and corruption, showcasing the enduring value of standing up for one's principles in the face of adversity. Jefferson Smith, I wouldn't give you 2 cents for all your fancy rules if, behind them, they didn't have a little bit of plain, ordinary, everyday kindness and a little looking out for the other fella, too. Jefferson Smith, boy, you should have been there. Clarissa Saunders, I know, it was a wonderful party, and your suit went over big, and she looked beautiful, and when you left she said, thank you, Mr. Smith, but it was the way she said it, you nearly fell through the floor. Horseradish. Jefferson Smith, pointing at his new desk at the Senate with great enthusiasm, this is Daniel Webster's desk. Did you know that? Senator Joseph Paine, MHM. He wouldn't mind. Jefferson Smith, I guess this is just another lost cause, Mr. Paine. All you people don't know about lost causes. Mr. Paine does. He said once they were the only causes worth fighting for. And he fought for them once, for the only reason any man ever fights for them. Because of just one plain, simple rule, love thy neighbor. Jefferson Smith, you see, boys forget what their country means by just reading The Land of the Free in history books. Then they get to be men, they forget even more. Liberty's too precious a thing to be buried in books, Miss Saunders. Men ought to hold it up in front of them every single day of their lives and say, I'm free to think and to speak. My ancestors couldn't. I can, and my children will. Boys ought to grow up remembering that. Clarissa Saunders, you sure had the right idea about me, Saunders. You told me that once. I was a perfectly respectable girl with a perfectly respectable family, a college education, a lot of decent values. And I ran away from all of it. Boy, did I. I was a disgrace to all of it, and you were right to call me down. Clarissa Saunders, I always get a great kick out of that part of the Declaration of Independence. You're supposed to believe that all men are created equal. It's the constitution of our country. That's what you fight for. Senator Joseph Paine, the man who makes the laws and the customs doesn't always know what he wants, but he always wants it. Clarissa Saunders, it's a 40-foot dive into a tub of water, but I think you can do it. Jefferson Smith, I wouldn't give you 2 cents for all your fancy rules if behind them they didn't have a little bit of plain, ordinary, everyday kindness and a little looking out for the other fella, too. Jefferson Smith, great principles don't get lost once they come to light. They're right here, you just have to see them again. Clarissa Saunders, you can't quit now, not you. They aren't all against you. They can't all be. You're talking like a fool. Jefferson Smith, I wouldn't be a bit surprised if some of these senators knew that it was a lot of hooey, too. But they're all afraid to say so, because if they did, the special interests and the big corporations would smear 'em out of office and ruin